Ancient Egypt was a civilization in northeastern Africa. It lasted for over 3,000 years. The civilization began around 3,050 BC. It ended with the conquest by Alexander the Great in 332 BC. The Nile River was central to Egyptian life. It provided water, transportation, and fertile land. Pharaohs were the rulers of ancient Egypt. They were considered gods on earth. The Great Pyramid of Giza is one of the most iconic structures. It was built as a tomb for Pharaoh Khufu. Hieroglyphics was the writing system of ancient Egypt. It consisted of pictorial symbols. The Rosetta Stone helped in deciphering hieroglyphics. It was discovered in 1799. Ancient Egyptians practiced mummification. This process preserved the bodies for the afterlife. The Egyptian pantheon included gods like Ra and Osiris. Ra was the sun god. Osiris was the god of the afterlife. Ancient Egypt made advances in medicine and astronomy. They also excelled in engineering and architecture. The Old, Middle, and New Kingdoms mark phases of ancient Egyptian history. The Middle Kingdom saw literature flourish. The New Kingdom is known for its military conquests. Queen Hatshepsut and Ramses II are notable figures. Artifacts like the bust of Nefertiti show their artistry. The Valley of the Kings is a famous burial site. Tutankhamun's tomb was discovered there in 1922. Ancient Egypt's influence is seen even today. Its culture, art, and innovations still fascinate.